Hi children, this is Krishna Shastri, IIT Maths teacher. Now we are discussing the concept algebra topic. In that, in the earlier class, we have discussed a few important definitions, and more definitions are there in our class. Those are in the last class we have discussed index. So again, I am explaining what is index. If any term we have in that term, for example 3x I am taking, in this any term to the variable what will be the power is there, that is called as the index. So now if we are few examples of taking term and index of the term, if we are taking, see for example we are taking 3x, here index will be 1. If we are taking the x square, here index will be 2. Highest power is 2, the power is 2, so index will take as a 2. Now I am taking as the y cube, now the index will be 3. The same way, if we are taking the 3x square y is a term, here we need to take the index as, see, x power 2 is there, y power 1 is there, then we will say as 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now index is nothing but sum of the powers of the all variables in the term is given as the index. Sum of the powers of the all variables in a term is called as index. Okay. So 3x square y we will say as 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The same way 4x square y cube z power 4 is there. Then if we want to say the index of this term, then we need to write as 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9, we can write. Okay. Now this way we will take the index. This already we completed yesterday. Next, based on this index and based on the power of the variable, we will say the next one is a very important one. Based on this definition, we will use the like terms and unlike terms. Like terms. What are like terms? See, here I am writing the few examples, few terms I am writing. See, now these terms we have 3x, 4y, 3z, 9x, 2y, 3x square y, 10z, minus 4x square y, and minus 2x, minus 3y, and so on. Few examples we are taking for the term. Now, like terms are called as, in a term, more examples I am taking as 4xy square, 4xy square, and 3y square x, for example I am taking. Like this if we are taking. Now if we want to say the like terms. Now in a term, if there are equal or same variables and powers also same, then we will call those terms are like terms. What is the definition of the like terms? In the terms, in two or more terms, if same variable and its power is also same, then we will call as like terms. Now, for example, we are taking the 3x. To the 3x, here variable is x and its power is 1. Variable is x and power is 1. What the terms we have? If we consider 9x is there, and if we consider minus 2x is there, so 3x comma 9x comma minus 2x, these three are called as the like terms. Variable must be same and also its power also must be same. Now I am taking with the 4y. To the 4y if we are taking, if we consider 2y is here and any y term is there, not there, so 4y and 2y we will call as like terms. And next we are taking as the 3z. With 3z, any like term is there, variable must be z as well as power also must be 1. Now both we can say as a like terms. For example, single z we are also taking, so z is also called as a like term. 2z, z and 10z. These three are called as a like terms. Next, 3x square y. What we have? 3x square y. Here in this term there are two variables are there, x and y, and x power is 2 and y power is 1. Like that we need. So here if we consider 4x square y minus 4x square y. And here also with the x and y variables, there are two more terms. X and y here also variable, x and y here also variable. But in our required term, x power must be 2 and y power must be 1. But if you consider here x power is 1, y power is 2, so that's why this is not like term for the 3x square y. But 3x square y and minus 4x square y will be the like terms. And this completed. This one also completed. Next, if we consider 4xy square, 4xy square. Here, in a term, there are two variables like x and y, and x is having the power 1 and y is having the power 2. X is having the power 1 and y is having the power 2. So, minus 3y square x also can say as a like term for 4xy square. Okay. So, minus 3y square x. It is also can write as minus 3xy square. Both can be equal. Why? It is multiplication. In the multiplication, for example, 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 we can write. The same way, 3y square minus 3y square x also can write as minus 3xy square. So, these two are also can be like terms. Now, I think you all understood what is the like term and what is the like term definition. So, like term definition is nothing but in the terms, in two or more terms, if there exist same variable and the variable's power is also same, then those terms are called as the like terms. Coming to the unlike terms. Say these are like terms we discussed. Correct? These are like terms. Now 3x square y we are taking. To the 3x square y minus 4x square y is the like term. Other than minus 4x square y, remaining all are called as the unlike terms. Okay? Minus 4x square y. Other than this, remaining all are called as the unlike terms. Unlike terms are nothing but if there are in two or more terms, if there are two different variables, or else variables power is also different, then we can say as the unlike term. Say 3x square y is there. For example, I am taking as the 3xy. So now these two are called as the unlike terms. Why? If there exist both the same variables, but here x power is 2, but here x power is 1. So these two are called as the unlike terms. Unlike terms are nothing but if there exist two different, if in two or more terms, different variables are there or same variables and its power is different, then those terms are called as the unlike terms. So now we are discussing the definition for unlike terms. So unlike terms 3x square y and 3xy. For example 4x and 4z. For example 3x and z. zx. So these all are examples for the unlike terms. So simply we can say as the terms which are not like terms, those are called as the unlike terms. The terms which are not like terms, those are called as the unlike terms. Okay, this is about the like terms and unlike terms. Children, please remember, by using the like terms and unlike terms only, there will be the addition and subtraction of the polynomials, or addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions will be there. So like terms and unlike terms understanding is very important. Understood? Next one we have as a numerical expression. Numerical expression. See, we know that, for example, I am saying is 5 is added to 10. 5 is added to 10. So that one we can write as 10 plus 5. This is called as a numerical expression. The expression which is expressed in the form of numerals, in the form of numbers, by using the numbers, is called as a numerical expression. Numerical expression is nothing but the expression which is expressed in the by using the numbers alone is called as a numerical expression. So this one we can write as 5 is added to 10. This is a numerical expression. So like if we are taking the examples, 3 into 5 plus 2, this is also a numerical expression. If we want to take the example 2 minus 1, or if you want to take the example 3 minus 10, or if you want to take the example 5 divided by 2 plus 10, whatever the expression, whatever the mathematical operation we are using, for the numbers alone is called as the numerical expression. Next, coming to the very important one, algebraic expression. We know that what is called as algebra. If in the mathematics, if we are using the alphabets, is called as the algebra. In the mathematics, if we are using the alphabets, is called as the algebra. So now algebraic expression is nothing but the expression which is involved in the expression, if the variables are involved, that is called as the algebraic expression. See, for example, we can take as the a plus 5. Here this is called as the algebraic expression. Now how we can write this? If we are write in the word form, 5 is added to a. 5 is added to a. See here, a we are saying a value we don't know. Unknown value, it is a variable. So here it is called as the algebraic expression. The same way we can say as 2a plus 10. The same way we can say as a divided by 5 minus 2. Also we can take as 2 into a plus 3 minus 10. Whatever the expression we are writing with the alphabets, not only a, we can consider as the x also, 2x plus 3, or else we can say y minus 2. These all we can consider as the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but in the expression, if we are involving the algebraic terms like variables, is called as the algebraic expression. Okay. Now whenever we have the algebraic expression, there some value will be exist for that. Some value will be exist for the algebraic expression. See, what is the value of algebraic expression? Next one, value of algebraic expression. See, in these situations, we will have the example size. Find the value of, question I am asking, find the value of a plus 3 at a is equal to 2. See here, variable value is given, so that one we need to substitute. What is algebraic? A plus 3, whenever a plus 3 is said, this is algebraic expression. Now its value we need to find out, where at a equal to 2. Now if we are substituting in the place of a, if we are substituting 2 plus 3, then we will get the 5. Now algebraic expression a plus 3 value is 5 at a equal to 2. If a is equal to 5 is given, then what will be the value? 5 plus 3. A plus 3 actually algebraic expression, so by that 8. 8 is the algebraic expression value at a equal to 5. So algebraic expression, value of algebraic expression is nothing but by substituting the value for a variable in the algebraic expression, what the resultant we will get, that is called as the value of algebraic expression. Understood? In the algebraic expression, if we are substituting some value for the variable, then what the resultant we will get, that is called as the algebraic value of the algebraic expression. See, one more example I am taking as x by 2 plus 10. Its value we need to find out at x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, what is the value of this expression? Now substitute the x value, 10 by 2 plus 10. Now 10 by 2 value is 5 plus 10. By that we will get the 15. Now 15 is this algebraic expression's value at x is equal to 10. If in the same example, if the question is x is equal to 20, then what is the value? What is the value is asking. Then what we need to do? X plus 2 plus 10. This value we need to find out. Now x value is given as 20. 20 by 2 plus 10. So by that 20 by 2 is equal to 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now 20 is the algebraic, same algebraic expression value at x is equal to 20 is 20 and at x is equal to 10 is 15. Understood? So this is the difference between the variable. Depending upon the variable value, the value of the algebraic expression will change. This is the very important one we need to remember. Next, types of algebraic expressions. Now we discuss that algebraic expression in a mathematical expression and algebraic expression we discussed. Then there will be the types of algebraic expressions. What are those? Types of algebraic expressions. Say algebraic expression can write as x plus 2 or 3x square or 5x plus 3y plus 10. These all are can called as the algebraic expressions. Correct? These all are can called as the algebraic expressions. Now in this, each and everything which is divided with the plus or minus, see for example I am taking here minus, which is separated with the plus or minus, then those are called as the terms. Then those are called as the terms. So it is containing two terms, we can say. It containing one term. Here there is no plus and minus. So here it is, we can say as one term only it is having. So we can say as it is having the three terms. Simply we can say terms of the algebraic expression can say as, if there are no like or unlike terms, if there are no like terms are there, then if number of signs plus or minus we have n, then the terms will be n plus 1. See here, plus is one symbol is there. So now it is having the two terms. Here, number of signs. So here, 0 signs are there. Signs in the sense plus or minus only. Into into and division we will not take. Here 0 number of signs are there. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 sign, 1 term will be there. Next here, two signs, one is plus and one is minus, two are there. If we are adding 2 plus 1, there will be the 3 terms. 3 terms, okay. Now, say, we will say as, depending upon the number of terms, we will divide the algebraic expression type. Say for example, terms and type of algebraic expression. Now if there are only one term is there in the algebraic expression, then it is called as a monomial. Mono in the sense it is single, so one term is there, then that is called as a monomial. If there are two terms in the expression, then it is called as a binomial. If there are three terms, then it is called as a trinomial. If there are more than 3, that means 4 or 5 or 6 or and so on there, then those are called as a multinomials. Multinomials. If there is only one is there, then it is called as a monomial. If we are taking the example, what we can say, 3x square or x or y and xy, these all we can say as the monomials. Here one term, here one term, one term, one term only there. If we want to take the examples, x plus y, x plus 2, x minus 3 or y plus z, these are called as binomials. Okay. If we are taking the examples for the trinomial, x plus y plus 3 or x plus y plus z or x minus 3 plus z, these all are called as the trinomials. And the multinomials we can write as more than 3 terms, that is 3x plus 4y plus z plus 9 and x square minus 3x square y plus 2xz plus 10y minus 20z, like these are there, these all are called as the multinomials. Okay. The very important we need to remember is terms and types of algebraic expressions. Coming to types of algebraic expression will be classified by number of terms involved in this, in that type expression. If there is only one term, then that is called as a monomial. If there are two terms, it is called as a binomial. If there are three terms, it is called as a trinomial. And if it is more than 3 terms are there, then those are called as the multinomials. Okay. These are types of algebraic expressions, children. That's all for today's class. From tomorrow we have more important definitions. Those we will discuss. And before after completing watching this video, you need to do as please go through the definitions very clearly and try to write down the few examples for this. I gave few examples here. Like this, you also need to get some examples. And also remember monomial or binomial or trinomial. See, binomial if you are saying, for example, 3x plus 2x. This is also containing the two terms. But here these two are like terms. Whenever here we have the like terms, then it is not called as a binomial. Here if we add 3x plus 2x, then we will get the 5x. Now it will come as a monomial only. So binomial in the sense, whenever algebraic expression is, we are saying monomial, binomial. In the algebraic expression, there should not be like terms first. If there are like terms, we need to simplify and then we need to say type of the binomial, type of the algebraic expression. So after getting the very excellent confidence on the definitions to you, then please try to write down the few examples for these types. Okay. Thank you children, thank you very much. That's all for today's class. Once again I am saying, take these definitions clearly and write down the examples for this. Okay. Thank you children, thank you very much.